Sveicināti skatītāji! Mani sauc PvP Boy, un mēs spēlējam parkour Minecraftā. Man būs biežāk Minecraft video. Būs arī gāties samp un tā. Bet visbiežāk būs Minecraft video, tā kā lūdzu spiediet subscribe un like, ja jums patīk šis video. Tā, iepazīsimies ar šo. Welcome to PvP Parkour Island. This is a PvP which includes parkour, crats and warrior boo, helper, creeper boss. Rules: 1. Not cheating. 2. Only able to break block on Island. 3. Play with 4 players or less. 4 plays difficulty on low. Have fun and good luck. Thank you for luck. And this is player 1, okay? I guess it goes to this way. Fuck. Es nezinu, kāpēc runāju angliski. Atvainojiet, ja jūs nesapratāt. Так, turpinu player 1. Going to parkour. Nē! Pats, kāpēc visu laiku tā notiek? Так. Going to back to player 1. Go. Jump. Go. Jump. Go. Jump. Go. Jump. Go. Jump, yeah! This is Kyle. Never mind. Obvious. Player 4. Fuck you then. I hope. Oh, thank God. Jump. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jump, jump like a boss. Jump, jump like a boss. Like a boss, like a boss, like a boss. Then this says player 3. Magical jump. Good jump, very good jump, good jump. Jump. Jump, jump. Magical jump. Jump, 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 and jump. Yay! Labi, es arī laikam beigšu šo video, jo parkurs nemaz nebija tik grūts, un es viņu izgāju ļoti ātri, ļoti ātri. Izgāju šo parkuru, un jā, tiksimies nākamajā video. Atā!